Now, the experts tell you don't try to install this on your own. Look at the installer's manual that they have to use just to make sure they've got everything right and up to code. Scott Taylor, ABC 7 News.
Very complicated process. Scott, thank you. And a reminder tonight that lightning can affect any of us.
Even our own chief meteorologist, Bill Kelly, he's sharing these pictures on his Twitter account because that tree right there, about 2.5 feet in diameter, got smacked by lightning. The tree then fell because that's what gravity does.
Yeah.
And there was a car, and that's the mother-in-law's car.
It is.
The mother-in-law, her car was parked. Did you strategically do this? Is that how it works?
Oh, come on.
One might seem.
Mom, just park over there.
Right. That's true. Yeah, that is the only thing I can, come to the conclusion that what happened, because I don't think it was a microburst. The winds recorded was not a severe straight line wind gust. Maybe a microburst, although if it was one of those, I would expect more damage because the trees are very dense right there.
Right.
So even if it was super localized, and that one showed some signs of burn mark, although it rained so heavy, it was hard to tell what was the saturated wet of the tree.
Yeah.
It did, and that is.
And it looked healthy too.
Beyond healthy. I mean, it's almost like a white look inside because it was just so alive, and it's not alive anymore. And so yeah, a lot of cleanup.
And the threat continues.
The threat does continue. Yeah, tonight, really all week long. But real quick, I normally don't go back. We always look forward. I just have to show you this because it is so incredible. We had 4 inches of rainfall officially on Saturday. The record, the old one, 2.56. We've only had 5 times in July ever. We're talking 4,500 plus days that we've had more than 4 inches of rain in a day. Dulles had 5. BWI Thurgood Marshall, 4.64. That is remarkable rainfall.
We blew it out the water.
Yeah, exactly.
And you did put out those warnings. I got them on Saturday because it was dumping, and I saw you put out a few of the warnings.
Yeah, absolutely. You have to. I mean, this was just incredible. More rain than we would get in the entire month in one day. That was just Saturday, and now it continues. Not as widespread, but there are some areas that are going to bring you some heavy rainfall, and this trend will go. Let me take you through the next couple of days. Watch what happens. It's not all night. It's not everybody at one time like it was Saturday when most of our area was just raining all day. But here's your day tomorrow morning. You walk out, especially in if this holds in eastern and southern Maryland, you're going to have quite a bit of wet commute. Then we get into your morning. Everything's going to stay wet, off and on showers with the occasional thunderstorm throughout the day tomorrow. Here's, say, roughly 24 hours from now, where the map looks very similar with some spotted rain showers, some moderate to heavy rainfall, and the possibility of some thunderstorms. Then we get into tomorrow night. We're taking you in, say, 24 hours into your Tuesday night into Wednesday. It continues the same overall trend with pop-up showers and storms, generally cloudy skies, very humid air, temperatures that are mild for this time of year. That is going to roll us all the way through probably Friday. So we started out the first half of the month bone dry, and now we're ending the month one of the wettest. Who knows how it ends up? We get underneath one of those heavy bands. It could be the wettest July ever. 11.06 is that number. We're sitting at 8.2 right now. 78 is your temperature here at 7 o'clock, 76 by 11 with that off and on storm chance going through the night. Heavy rain is possible. If you have that, it could wake you up. It's coming down real heavy. It's going to pass on by. Same thing with tomorrow. You have outdoor plans. You work outside. You're a landscaper. You're a roofer. I mean, this week is going to be a tough week for you if you're laying concrete or you're roofing, that type of thing. But if you get one of those heavy rain, it's going to move across. Give it some time. Take a break. Then you wait it on out and you'll be able to go back out again. Same pattern Wednesday, low 80s when our normal is in the upper 80s this time of year with less of a chance for showers Thursday, Friday, a little bit of a greater chance for some sunshine. We'll bump those numbers up to the upper 80s near 90. Our greatest chance to have some dry weather happens to be on Saturday. So we're going to work for the weekend there, Robert.
We're pushing, just pushing along. Okay. Well, an applause for Dwight Howard that he ducked under the door going into his introduction. Coming up, how he poetically broke down his journey to Washington. You'll want to hear this. That's next in sports.
Window Nation brings the perfect fit for your home and your wallet with buy one window, get one free. Our best deal of the year gets even better with 0% financing. Call by the end of the month and get 0% for 36 months. Call 866-95-NATION or visit windownation.com.
People say that I'm a rock star. They think I stay up all night.
The Hyundai Epic Summer Sales Event. With select SUVs starting around $20K, this summer is going to be epic. Lease a Tucson for only $159 a month, or buy a Santa Fe Sport with $37.50 in bonus cash. Hurry in today.